Hello, everyone. Fabric Magician here. Got your updates. Day 10. Can you believe it? It's really rolling around fast. I'm going to start with Missouri Star today. Missouri Star. We need to get caught up on the wrapping paper book, which I was looking online for, and when you get it from the publisher, their suggested retail price is about $18. So I went with that. And then, of course, yesterday we had the bias binding toolkit, which again I went out there and priced it. Yeah, okay, it was a little bit above, a little bit below $20. I just gave it the average of $20, and that brings our investment down. As far as values that we've received, there's $35 left, and this is day 9, and we're going to day 24. So wow, we're going to get some value. I hope to see everything else to look as good as the first. If everything looks as good in the second half as it does the first half, we're in for a fabulous box this year. All right. Okay, that being said, let's go on. Let's look at today's gift, day 10. It's confusing. It's a box, and it's big and flat. And, well, let's open it up because I do have a little bit of a time crunch. We got to get this going. This is different. Oh, this is something. It is a quilty charcuterie board. Look there. Oh my goodness. Stamp Missouri Star on the back, of course. A quilty charcuterie board. This is something else. And they even give you a picture of what you could do with it to make it look special. Oh, I think that's so cute. It's darling. Whoa. Create the ultimate charcuterie display. A truly impressive board balances a variety of flavors, textures, and vibrant colors. Just like a quilt block. Oh, I added that part. Very cool. You can put other things on there. You can just make it all veggies if you want. You don't have to put meat if you're vegetarian. And if you're a meatosaurus, then skip the veggies and just put the meat and cheese on. It's all good. You can do all kinds of things. Yes, display of jams and breads and woo. Now let's move over to soft squares. Okay, to back up just a little bit, the foundation paper piecing. We had scraps. We had a few pieces of paper that we could copy or use up. So about $5 there worth of stuff, which is what they had it marked at too. And I'm like, well, that's pretty fair. Okay, we'll go with that. And then this beautiful necklace yesterday. It has a little charm on it and a little quilt square. And yes, I did wear it. I went on there, and plus we had the coupon. And I went on there, and this is about $20. They don't have it priced that high, but when I went on to look for it, the same thing again from the same place, as if I tried, I didn't want to buy the same one again, but $20. So your coupon, your 25% off is going to be worth anywhere from $4 or $5 or more dollars, depending on what you want to buy from the website. But that's pretty much standard about what they offer. And when I looked at the 25%, when I did the math. So, but look at, so that brings that value down to $115. Again, that is doing really well. And if we do the same in the second half that we do in the first half, or the first 2/3 or whatever, this is going to be another bang up box. I'm telling you. But this is square and squishy. Like fabric. Let's look and see. Yes. Oh, yes. Here are 2 yards of white fabric. The color is Cloud by Riley Blake. Designs, confetti cotton line. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. Thread is available in this exact color, available in the shop. So this is the Cloud, the confetti cotton cloud, and it is gorgeous. Oh, it is gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna wrap myself in this. Wonderful. Oh, 2 yards is plenty to work with in a couple of 3-yard quilts or as a background in a larger quilt. This is wonderful. Or anything, or a couple of smaller background for a lot of smaller things. Fantastic. It's been a Merry Christmas so far. So there it is, folks. Have a joy-filled day and see you next time. Bye.